Yo, what's up, fam? We're in Athens, and right behind me, that's the freaking Parthenon. Ancient history, modern drip. Let's go.
Just grabbed an iced Greek frappe. Smooth, strong, and slightly addictive.
This flea market is wild. Found a busted statue head, some coins, and maybe a cursed amulet. Souvenirs with personality, you know.
Athens got layers, man. Ancient temples one block, raw street art the next. It's like walking through a mixtape.
Okay, gyro secured. Crispy pork, tangy sauce, and fries inside the wrap. Whoever invented this deserves a statue.
From up here, Athens is just endless rooftops and golden light. Worth the climb, trust.
Caught some street music, real soulful stuff, I'm vibing, but I'm not about to dance on camera yet.
Gotta say, the museums here are sleek. Ancient pots and marble statues lit like they're in a jewelry store. That's a wrap on Athens. History, heat, and hustle. Tomorrow we boat out to Santorini. Pack light, y'all.
Touchdown in Santorini, baby. Blue domes, cliff views, and sunsets that make you believe in romance. Let's get lost.
These streets, straight up a postcard. Every turn's a new wallpaper. And yeah, I'm stopping for every photo.
Check this view. Volcano to the left, ocean to the right. I could stand here for hours, but I'm hungry.
Ordered octopus and grilled eggplant. Don't judge me until you've tried it. This place smells like magic.
Cheers to new friends and salty breezes. Ouzo's got a little kick, but hey, when in Greece.
Santorini cats don't care about time or rules. This little guy's been napping here since sunrise. I respect that energy.
Greek yogurt in Greece? Hits way different. Creamy, cold, drizzled in honey like a dessert sent from Olympus. Infinity pool. Sunset view. Mind empty. Mood, vacation achieved.
Evening walks out here feel like a dream. Every breeze, every step. Slow living at its finest.
Santorini's done me good. Tomorrow, Pum, we turn it way up in Mykonos. Buckle up.
Let's go!
Cannonball status. Water's perfect, warm, clear, and salty enough to float like a boss.
Yeah, I said I wouldn't dance on camera, but Mykonos made me do it. Don't judge me.
This bartender, straight up magician. And this drink tastes like summer on ice.
From temples to parties, Greece has been nothing but beauty. One love, y'all. This gorilla's heart is full.